In this video, I will show you how to play COD Mobile on PC. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Here we are, as you can see on my desktop. Now, the first thing we're going to do is download something called GameLoop. GameLoop is an Android emulator, so that allows you to play Android games on your PC. So to get started with this, go ahead and open up an internet browser. And what you want to do is come across to the official GameLoop website, which is gameloop.com. Now, on the website, if you look in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see the download button. Go ahead and give that a click, and that's going to download GameLoop onto your PC. Once GameLoop has finished downloading, come to your taskbar at the bottom, and in your search box, you want to go ahead and type File Explorer, and then open up File Explorer underneath Best Match. Then what you can do is come across to the left-hand side and find your downloads folder. Just give that a click and you're going to find the installer for GameLoop. And what you want to do is double-click to run the installer. What you can then do is run through the steps to install, and once it's installed, you'll have a window like this where it says Start. So give that a click and that's going to launch GameLoop on your PC. Here we are, this is what GameLoop looks like, and from here what you want to do is come up to the top and use the search box to search for Call of Duty. So you just want to go ahead and type that into the search box. Now, I've already installed this, but for yourself it's going to say install next to Call of Duty instead of open. So just go ahead and click install to start installing COD Mobile on your PC. Once the game has finished installing, what you can do is come up to the top and you want to click onto Me to be taken to your games library, and you should see Call of Duty Mobile. So what you can do now is give that a click, and it's going to start Call of Duty Mobile. So there's an anti-cheat system for GameLoop, as you can see in the bottom right hand corner. It starts this up first, and then it's going to start loading Call of Duty Mobile. Here we are, as you can see, the game is just loading through now. So what we're going to do is just jump into the game, and I'll show you how this plays. You can see it's just loading through. And here we are in game, so let's go ahead and jump into a game. As you can see, it's a very, very good system to play mobile games. GameLoop, it does run really smooth. And here we are on one of the maps, so let's just go ahead and skip past the intro, the starting teams. We're just on the countdown timer now, and as you can see, as mentioned, the game is running really well through GameLoop. GameLoop is a really, really good emulator, actually. It allows you to play a lot of different Android games, but for the purposes of COD Mobile, you can see this is running really, really great, and there's no lag, even when, you're doing actions in the game and things like that. Everything's running really, really smooth. So that is how to play COD Mobile on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.